What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Happy happy dividend day with realty income to a lot of you guys that are dividend investors. I got a little Flashback Friday shirt with my Kent State shirt, my undergrad. And I have 7 dividend growth stocks to buy and hold forever. These are the elite dividend stocks. They have consistent dividend increases. Their revenue is off the chain. They are Roth and traditional IRA material, and they are powerful dividend stocks. So again, if you are new, make sure you smash that like button, and you got to hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I kind of randomly will post videos. I try to get 3 to 4 videos a week. I know I'm very busy with graduate school, and by the way, I did very well on my exam, and they just curved it, so I got a 65 out of 68, so I'll take that. But let's celebrate with these dividend stocks. These are great ones that I see a lot of people put in their dividend portfolios that have YouTube videos. I see a lot of people put them in their fractional shared Roth IRAs or traditional IRAs and M1 Finance. Let's check these out right now. First stock I have is American Tower Corp. AMT is a symbol. This is probably one of the best dividend growth stocks out there. It has a dividend yield of 1.95%, but my gosh, it is like going crazy. It's a real estate investment trust. And basically, it's an owner and operator of wireless and broadcast communications infrastructure in several countries worldwide and is headquartered in Boston, Massachusetts. It is ranked 410th of the Fortune 500. As of December 31st, 2018, the company owns, this is crazy, 170,686 communication sites, including 40,751 sites in the U.S., 75,872 sites in Asia, 1,665 sites in Europe, Middle East, and Africa, and 37,392 sites in Latin America. That is an empire, okay? It is huge. Now, look at this. In the past 5 years, it has beaten the S&P, and this is one that is a beautiful dividend stock. This is traditional IRA material, Roth IRA material. A lot of people day trade this one. It is just a beautiful stock overall. And I have to show you its dividend history real quick. I'm going to talk about significant dividend increases. Look at 2016, it was 58 cents. And now on September 27th, it was $1.31. So a dividend yield of 1.98%. But remember, usually as the price per share increases or it's sky high, the dividend yield's a little bit less. But it is a dividend growth stock. It's a beautiful dividend growth stock. It is well known. I think it's one of the best real estate investment trusts out there. I don't have the money for it, but let me tell you, it is traditional and Roth IRA material, and I'm considering putting that in my Roth IRA. I'm thinking about doing ETFs, but maybe I could just do stocks like these that have consistent dividend growth. They have increased their price per share, and they ain't going anywhere. They are huge. AMT is huge. Let's jump to the next dividend stock. That next stock is Starbucks. It is sitting at $111.45. It has a 1.76% dividend yield, a PE ratio of 46.67. Its year range was 85.45 to 126.32. This is a very popular dividend stock amongst people who have a lot of money and that can afford this dividend stock. Starbucks is always busy and people are always in line at Starbucks. Just drive by a Starbucks. Look at how busy they are. And their coffee, it isn't the best. I mean, the thing is, people, they have to get the Chocomocha, Jojoka, pumpkin spice latte and spend, $15 just for a thing of coffee. And all they have to do is drink black coffee and, brew it in their house or buy an espresso machine and brew it and save some money in the long run. But, they like their Starbucks. You can't go wrong with that. Their Starbucks sells their stuff in stores. They're in vending machines. They're just a powerful company. And I'm going to show you their dividend history. Look at these dividend increases over time. This is 2018. It's 30 cents. And now it's 49 cents in 2021. That's a significant dividend increase over time. It has a dividend yield of 1.63%, an annual dividend of $1.96. It's sitting at 111.45 right now. And these guys have some serious stock split potential. And, they're just going to get bigger and bigger. People are busy. in line. This is just a great traditional Roth IRA stock, and this is a great day trading stock. Let's jump to the next dividend stock. The best Mary Jane stock out there. Innovative Industrial Properties. The symbol is iipr. I see some serious dividend growth. Now, again, when you buy real estate investment trust, you need to know what you're getting yourself into. And these guys own farms of Mary Jane. So if Coronos or Tilray or anybody goes down, the price per share, these guys are still going up. So at one point, I did buy a huge dip, sold it, made a lot of money, and threw it in other dividend stocks because I couldn't keep up with it in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. I got the dip, like probably right around here, pandemic wise, and I sold it. And I got a huge profit for it, bought other dividend stocks, and I really can't complain about that. Its year range is 112.25 to 253.61. And again, it has a 2.51% dividend yield. So if you look at American Tower, AMT, versus iipr, iipr's dividend is shooting up like crazy. And I have to show you its dividend history. I mean, this is insane. 25 cents in 2018, and now it's 150 in September. That is insane. This thing is just blowing up like crazy. Has an annual dividend of $6. It's sitting at $237.50. Great traditional and Roth IRA material. I mean, I can't say no to a stock like this. This is why, these are things that I'm looking at. I like the dividend growth. I like the price per share to increase. I want my net asset value to increase. When you put money in a traditional Roth IRA, you want your net asset value to increase. That way, the price per share goes up, and in the long run, if you have $1 million versus $2 million, that makes a big difference, especially if you reinvest dividends and the price per share increases and stock splits happen. That's what you want. You want your net asset value to increase, and this stock will get your net asset value to increase. And again, none of this is financial advice, for entertainment purposes only, and I have a disclaimer in the description. But these are beautiful stocks. This is what I like about them. Let's jump to the next dividend stock. And that next stock is Mastercard. So it has a dividend yield of 0.49%. Big deal because it's increasing its price per share. It is increasing its dividend over time. Anytime you swipe your credit card, these guys make money. So just think about that. These guys make cash anytime you swipe your card. Now, their market cap is $340.02 billion US dollars. A year range is 281.20 to 401.50. This thing has killed the S&P. It ain't going anywhere. It's just increasing its price per share, and it's increasing its dividend. So it's really huge, and it ain't going anywhere. People swipe their credit cards like crazy. So I'll give an example. There was a store locally that I would always go to, and I hated going there, and I stopped going there because they didn't take debit card, they didn't take credit cards. They had to give in because people ain't going to do that. They ain't going to go to a machine and just pay in cash. These guys are making money off of them anytime you swipe your card, cashback card, anything. They're making money. That's why they're so huge. MA is a symbol, Mastercard. I'm going to show you their dividend history. Here you go. 2015, it was 16 cents, and now it's 44 cents. Now, it doesn't have the best dividend yield. It's 0.51%, but this is a great traditional or Roth IRA stock. I mean, it's 344.97 right now, and it is increasing its dividend. I know the dividend yield isn't the most attractive, but it does increase its dividend over time. The annual dividend is 176. So this one is on my radar, but I'm going to show you one that I like better than Mastercard. One is Visa. It's sitting at $230.99. It's a little bit more affordable. Now, it has a dividend yield of 0.55%. Big deal because I like the price better on it. And again, anytime you swipe that credit card, they're making money. So they ain't going anywhere. They're just killing the S&P. They're more affordable, and they are increasing their dividend as well. But this is what I like about them is the price. They're still going to beat the S&P. So how can you say no to these guys? Its year range is 179.23 to 252.67. So it's going up. It's beating the S&P. How can you say no to this? And I have to show you its dividend history. So you're at 21 cents, 25, 30, 32. But again, its dividend yield is a little bit more attractive, and it's cheaper. So it's still going up. Now, if I had $5 million, if you told me either Microsoft or Visa, obviously I would say, I'm sorry, not Microsoft, Mastercard or Visa, I would say Mastercard. But I don't have that type of money. Not a lot of us have that type of money to buy, stocks like that. So that's just one thing I want to address. You can tell me if you like Mastercard better than Visa, if traditional IRA material or Roth IRA material. You tell me. But let's jump to the next dividend stock. And these guys are always busy, busy, busy. Home Depot. HD is a symbol. It has a dividend yield of 1.88%. There's a PE ratio of 24.65. These guys are huge. They're always busy. People are always in line at Home Depot. People are trying to build houses like crazy. That's the thing right now. So, they're trying to soup up their houses. People are going nuts with that. And its year range is 246.59 to 350.95. Now, its day range is 345 to 350.95. What a beautiful dividend growth stock. And I have to show you its dividend history, which makes it very attractive. So I'm actually on their website. So here's 2018, it was 103, and now it's 165. That's very attractive. Dividend increases. Price per share is going up. Beautiful traditional Roth IRA material. All these are day trading material as well. That's what makes these guys very attractive. And I'm going to jump to two more dividend stocks. So I basically gave you a bonus stock too, which was Visa. Let's jump to the next dividend stock. Stock is Lowe's. LOW is a symbol. Its dividend yield is 1.46%. PE ratio is 2260. Market cap is $154.28 billion. Its year range is 146.72 to 219.99. Day range was 217.39 to 219.99. Now, what's nice about these guys, they're always busy as well. Their dividend history is very attractive as well. Not just traditional IRA material, Roth IRA material, but also as a dividend stock. Check this out. So in 2016, it was 28 cents. Now it's 80 cents right now in 2021. So right now it's sitting at 219.05 with a dividend yield of 1.51%. PE ratio is 22.62 and the annual dividend is 320. Not bad at all. Very attractive dividend stock, really good dividend growth stock. That's what makes these guys attractive in a lot of these ones. Let's go to the final one. I'm sure you know what it is. And that stock is Apple. It's sitting at 144.84. It literally splits its stock like crazy. Has a dividend yield of 0.61%, PE ratio of 28.37. Its year range was 107.32 to 157.26. Now, the year range, why it's low, is because it just split its stock. It did a 4-for-1 split. These guys split their stock like crazy, and they just increase the price per share like crazy, and also their dividends very attractive, which I'll show you. And then I know it's 0.61%, but if you have it in a traditional Roth IRA, that's pretty attractive, and I'll explain to you why. Look at this. 2020, it was 77 cents to 82 cents. Split. Now it's 22 cents. So here's the thing with these guys. They split their stock like crazy. So I know the dividend doesn't look attractive because it's 144, but they split their stock like crazy. So if you have them in your traditional or Roth IRA, just leave it there, throw money in like crazy with these guys. They start splitting, you're going to get dividends and dividends and dividends, start buying more stuff. So this is why I have these guys on my radar for my M1 Finance Roth IRA. And I haven't decided, should I get ETFs or should I add, stocks like Apple, Visa, Mastercard, because I know that they're going to increase their price per share. Net asset value will go up. So there's a lot of things that come in mind. I want to be a little aggressive in getting these guys versus Vanguard VTI, and I don't have to pay any expense ratio. I know 0.6% is pretty attractive, but it's Apple. So that's what I like about these dividend stocks. Let me know what you think of these 8 dividend stocks. I know I added Visa to it. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Darth Dividend. You guys have a good one. I'm going to try to post a video Monday or because I have to work the weekend, and I'll be working on a paper as well. So you guys take care. Be safe out there. Have a good one. And enjoy Realty Income Dividend Day. Have a good one.